Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'll be doing this fall look of mine. So we'll start with the primer, and this primer I'm using is from Stila. It is a skin tone correcting and brightening primer. I'm just rubbing it all over my face, as you can see. And I'll be using a beauty blender. And the foundation I'm gonna be using is the Marc Jacobs Shameless Youthful Look 24-Hour Foundation. This foundation has SPF 25, so it's really good protecting your skin from the sun. I really think that I did good picking out the right shade for myself, because every time when I try to go to the store, like a makeup store, and ask for an assistant, they always don't pick the right color for me. I don't know why. Is it just me, or do you guys experience the same thing? Now we have a clear skin. I'll be using a contour stick from KKW Beauty by Kim Kardashian, and I'm just contouring my face under the cheekbones and my jawlines and my forehead. And also the brush that I'm using is also from the KK Beauty, and I'm just blending it all out. This contour stick is really good, and it's really creamy and blendable, so it's really easy to use. Okay, so after I contour, I always use a contour powder, and I'm using this Smashbox contour palette, and it has 3 shades. So the first one is the contour, the second one is for bronzing, and the third one is for highlight. I'll be using the same shade, the first one in the palette. I'll be using that to contour my nose also. So I forgot, I was supposed to put concealer first, and I'll be using this Smashbox concealer. It's Studio Skin 24-Hour Waterproof Concealer. I do love using this one because I tend to always have watery eyes. I don't know why, girl, but it's always like that. And we're just blending it all out. And now we're ready to set the face, and I always use this setting face powder. It's from Laura Mercier, and it's the Secret Brightening Powder for under eyes, but I actually use this all over my face too. That looks good. And now I'm using the Makeup Forever blush. Is the Artist Face Color Sculpting Powder in S310, and I just put it all over my cheekbones. And for my eyebrows, I'll be using this brow powder duo from Anastasia Beverly Hills, and it is in the shade medium brown. I'm using powder for my eyebrows. I already quite have a thick eyebrows, so that's why I'm going for a natural look. And I'm just filling them in. And now I'll be using for the eyeshadow the Tarte Pro palette, and for the first shade I'll be using just the classic shade, and I'm just putting that all over my eyelids. And now here I'm using the color shade Bold, and I'm just putting that all over the crease of my eyes and just blend it all out. And now we're going to use the shade Edgy, and we're putting that into the inner corner of our eyes and just blending it all out. I'll be taking the same shade, Edgy, and I'll be putting that along the lower lash line and just smudging it. And now I'll be using the shade called Glam, and I'm just putting that again all over the eyelid, the inner corner of the eyes. And now I'll be using this highlighter from Becca. It's the Shimmering Skin Perfector, and it's in the shade Opal. Just putting that all over on the top of my cheekbones and blending it all out. And I'll be highlighting my nose bridge, and also I'll be using that under my eyebrows. Have here the Too Faced mascara, and it's the Better Than Sex. This mascara is really good. Actually, it, like my eyelashes, it gets longer than it is already. So guys, you should try this one. Now I'm going to curl my eyelashes, and I'm just using this one from Revlon, just to make that eyes look more awake. Now let's go on with the lips, and I'll be using these lip liner from Buxom. I'm not sure if I pronounced that right. And I have it in the shade Hush Hush and Covert Affair. So I'm just putting Hush Hush all over my lips, and then I'll be using the Covert Affair more on the inner lips. So this is my fall makeup look. I really hope you guys like it and enjoyed the video. I hope to see you guys again back in my channel. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you guys again soon. Love you all. Bye bye.